Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Jamaica. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Jamaica, an island country which is situated in the Caribbean Sea, has a mixed economy with both state enterprises and private sector businesses, while tourism plays a major economic role in the country, which makes currency exchange a daily occurrence. Jamaican Forex traders can choose a broker from some of the top best globally regulated Forex brokers and trading platforms who accept local investors. In this list, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Jamaica. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013. Contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is available on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you're feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. Coming in at number 4 is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Exness Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education with Alpari. Coming in at number 3 is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platform for accounts is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, as well as Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop and mobile platforms, 24-hour, 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, various guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education through Oanda. Coming in at number 2 is Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Jamaica, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and also features their very own mobile applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for more in-depth education with Avatrade. Avatrade have also won multiple awards, such as the Best Customer Support, the #1 Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, the Most Trustworthy Broker, the Best Forex Broker of the Year, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Jamaica on our list. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.